The broadcast is now starting.
Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the futures and options markets, do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to the trade. Trade according to your own accounts and your tolerance for risk. We are going to get blasted on the NASDAQ. Good morning, Jay. We should get a bounce out of 78. There's 78. Target hit. Target hit. Anybody short NASDAQ? Okay, Mac. You're welcome. Okay, Mimi. Next target down, fellas, 56. If you're still short, 5.6. If we break 5.6, we come 6.38. Looks like we're coming to 600. What would have been an aggressive short, Deepak? Nice job, Fedor. What would have been an aggressive short?
Order filled.
All right, guys. Gold is long, 24. Well, I don't like shorting bottoms, but it was a short. 25.34 is first target. Nice job, Ray. Oh, 03 on ES 03. It's got to come down through 05, but 03. NASDAQ is going to dump. May get a small bounce in here, but it's coming down again. It's coming to that 56. Excuse me. Anybody take that long at 01, 02, 03? Target one is hit. Now you have a 34, 35 target. Okay, so some of you guys have already made your daily goal if you took the previous short and this long. Goal is in. Morning, Magnus. Hubba hubba. $34 is where we can go. That would be your next level. 34 to 37. Wouldn't know where to get it. So, Lee, you've been in the room a couple weeks now. I do not, oh, okay. I do not say and will not say, there's first target on gold. It hit it, didn't fill it. I do not say and will not say, you need to buy gold here. You need to buy NASDAQ here. You need to do this now. That would be for your registered representative, for your financial planner, for your broker. That would be for them to tell you, right? What I do is what I say in every single trade. If anyone is interested, NASDAQ looks like a long here. You can infer from that whatever you'd like. Okay? I cannot legally, morally, ethically say you must trade here. You should be long, right? That's a directive. I cannot give a directive. Oh, then this is a moot conversation, right? You wouldn't take it even if I did. Then it makes it moot. This is a moot conversation. Give it 2 or 3 weeks to get used to me. And then you decide if you want to take the trades, right? I cannot give a directive. So what I do is I offer the suggestion that if anybody is interested, yeah, me too, Ray. Anybody is interested, NASDAQ looks like a long. Now, tell me, if I say that, what do you infer from that? I mean, what is your inference? That it's a long, right? I mean, that would be, no. I mean, unless you, I mean, to look for a long setup, I don't know how long you've been trading, but unless you see something, or unless you see it identically to me, then to a degree, you are somewhat reliant upon me to see the setup. Now, again, you know, everybody in this room is obviously free to take the trades as they see fit or not. We got to 34, fellas. It's a 30 handle trade. So unless you have the ability to see what I see, and maybe you do, I don't know, you may be a better trader than me, then you should be looking at, you should be, you know, maybe paying attention to what I'm saying, not what you're seeing. You're welcome, Mark. Does that make sense? Yep, 34 target filled, fellas. You're welcome, guys. 2 trades. Gold is a 3rd trade. You're welcome, fellas. I mean, it's completely free from here. We can get to 768. We're going to fight a whole lot of resistance in this zone, though. But we can get to, if anybody is still running NQ, we can get to 750 and as high as 768. Yeah, we just got to get through a whole bunch of noise in here. Oh, man. We could actually, fellas, anybody still running NASDAQ? Excuse me. This coffee is making me ill. 28.2, Bill. It's on my screen. It's on the screen. 28.2. I've moved my stop to 25.1. If anybody is still running NASDAQ, we can actually go back to 812. I don't know that we do, but the first hurdle is going to be 57.58. If we can get through 57.58 area, we definitely go 68. You're welcome, Bill. Harker reiterating rising yields are a good sign for the outlook. I'm not sure what he's talking about. I've not been paying attention. Sorry, fellas, I couldn't mute fast enough. From that 02 entry on the NASDAQ, it's up almost, 60 handles now. If not, we'll see what we get. Support comes in between 19 and 27 on a pullback. We may not get one. I don't know. We'll see what we get. Excuse me. Sorry, fellas. Any questions before we go? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. The good news is, no. We're off. We're off. We are off. ES is long on the bot. I told you it would go long on the 15-minute right on the open. NASDAQ longs, it's going to go to 78. I would expect a failure somewhere in this area with the negative delta. We're fighting yesterday's close along with the 20 period and 100 period moving averages on a 15-minute. Excuse me. Sorry, fellas. I apologize. I can't mute fast enough. Well, this is a fairly quiet open. We should get to 78 on the NASDAQ. There's small buyers in here, 100, 110. Come on, ES. ES should pop, should get to 16, maybe 17. Should get that first target. I don't know about target number 2 at 20. All right, NASDAQ is now above VWAP. Let's see what we're looking at here on order flow. We're above VWAP. We're looking at longs here now, guys. Longs. There's 94. We're going to 800, 807. There's first target on ES on the bot. First target on ES on the bot. Target 1 is filled. I should have taken 2 off here. Guys, this is a 90 handle move from the entry. 90. Almost 100 handles, fellas. We're going up to 808. If we can get above 16, we're going to trade. We could trade into yesterday's high at 859. Russell rolled. Okay. 78 should be some support to 80. Absence of imbalances, but we're down to 1,500 sellers. That's it. That is it. And 2,100 buyers in the opening 15-minute candle so far in the ES. A lot of resistance here. If it's going to have to get through about 18.5 to get that second target. We held 78 on the NASDAQ. We should go to 807. I'm looking for some buyers in here, guys, to want to be long with it above VWAP. We have buyers, but noticeable lack of imbalances. And what we have on the top are small. 18, 12, 5, 2. We have a 4-tick sequential decline. Okay. May get a small short below VWAP. Small buyers still. 1,500 net sellers. They bought back a lot of contracts. YM, nothing. ES is pulling back a bit. We come down through 69, it's going to sell. I don't think this is going very far. Yeah. Right back into a long above VWAP. We're just playing at VWAP, guys. You got longs. You got buyers now. Again, above VWAP.
Order filled.
Target is 807. Come on. Let's go. 807. Come on, dog. There's 3. There's 6. 7. Hit target. Target hit.
Target filled.
Target hit. 807. Target hit. We got to 8. Target hit. Now if we can get through, you're welcome, Don. If we can get through 16, we're going to probably go 820 to 59. My target's been hit now. Let's see what we get. That's resistance. It's not much, but it is resistance. My guess is on the next 15-minute candle, we're going to go. You're welcome, John. Daily goal hit. Nice job. Guys, we've taken maybe 4 trades, 5 trades, all winners so far. There should not be anybody not making money, right? We had an ES short, NASDAQ long, another NASDAQ long, and a gold trade. 5 trades. All winners. Bond yields rising again. If we get through 16, I mean, we're down to 1,000 net sellers. If we get through 16, thinks we go. We're going to trade up to 30 if anyone is still long. I am out. I took first target, or I took the target I had, which was 7. Russell is trying to turn up. This first target keeps getting hit. If we get above 18, this has a shot at that second target above 18. It's got to break 18. Draghi says it does make sense to start booking summer holidays. I thought Europe was shut down. Where are you going to go? Paris? All right, we're going to maybe pull back into VWAP. It's got to come down through 93. We should get VWAP.
Target filled.
Done with that. We should pull back to 78. Got to come down through right about here, 94, 93. We should get 78, I would think. If you guys want to take a short.
Order filled.
Target is 83 to 78. Come on down, dog. Let's go 78. Let's go 83, which is VWAP. Come on. 100 sellers down to 80 sellers, 85, 77. We're just sitting here. Come on, VWAP. Come on, VWAP. Come on, VWAP. 83. Come on, dog. That's target. And then 78. Come on. Damn you. Got to 87 half. Come on. There it is. Oh, we got to 85 quarter. Come on. Give me target. Come on. Come on, dog. There it is.
Target filled.
VWAP, guys. VWAP. Target filled. I'm out. 78 is where it may come. 68 below that. You guys should be good, fellas. I'm out. I'm out. There's 78 now. We could come 68, I guess, if anybody is still running them. But I think that's it, 78. Thank you, Jeff. Sick and all. We'll just keep beating their brains in. There you go, guys. Is there anybody not making money? 6 trades, all winners. So if anybody has taken a trade, you've made money. Yesterday's video did not render. So unfortunately, I don't have a video for YouTube. We're just hanging out at VWAP again, fellas. I am not, Brian. I am not. You guys would have had a link. There it is, 19. Hit 30, 39.19. There's your target 1 from 17. That's it, 2 points. It's all, I told you, it's all that was in it. Crude strongly bid, over 6,000 buyers today. NASDAQ's failing. Support is still 80. I do not think it's going to short, fellas. I don't think it's going to 0. Not yet. YM's breaking up. ES is making one more push. There's 19 again. You guys filled at 19? ES? You filled? Yeah, you are now. Just hit quarter offer. Okay. Guys, no losing trades today. So next target is 20, half. If we break 21, we're going 24. Got to break 21 to get to 24 on the ES. Here comes NASDAQ. It held my stop. Dun, da, da, da. Target is 859. 8, call it 57. And then 125. Who's long NASDAQ? That ES trade turned into a nice trade, guys. Who's long NASDAQ? Okay, fellas. Held the stop. Target is 857. Do not disappoint me. There's 42. Come on, pump up the jam. We went green delta. That's that green delta. Bought them all back. Bottom all back. 4,000 in the hole. We're green 100. We get over 850, guys. I hate to say it, but 13,000 is back in play. 53. Come on, 57. 54. You guys are here on trial. I hope you are duly impressed. 55. Come on, 57, I said. I didn't say 55. Hit 55.75. I want 57. Don't be bashful about taking some risk off if you guys want. I mean, we got pretty dang close to target. I still think you'll get it, but don't be bashful. You get them on the runners. Came within 4 ticks, 5 ticks. Thank you, guys. Everybody made some money. ES is still going. It broke out. Should get you to 24 next. ES should get you to 24 next. Hell, one of the trials didn't even show up. I swear to God. Well, you know the old saying, fellas. Yeah, he should be in Ace's room. That's right. Ace doesn't trade. Clown. Absolute bozo. Absolute bozo. I can see comments. You guys cannot see comments, Brad. I have nowhere to put the chat unless I, eliminated one of my charts. Yeah, I'm not laughing hard. Yeah. If there's a comment that, pertains to the room, I'll always repeat it. Guys, it's a fairly slow trade. But do I have anybody that has not made money? Is there anybody that has not made money today? We've not had a losing trade. You are very welcome. Guys, it's what we generally do, right? Nice job, James. That's a nice job. Great job. I won't repeat it. Excellent. Great job, Marco. Nice. Very nice, guys. Nice job, Doug. Yeah, listen, I mean, the stops are what they are. I have to use, especially when the market is this slow, I've got to use real stops, and they're going to be bigger. We don't, the VIX is so damn low that we don't have much volatility. So you have to let the trade, play out. All right, you're going to get a small short. You can take a small NASDAQ short. Nice job, Mimi. 680 with 5 MNQ. Nice job. You got a NASDAQ short, guys. Small NASDAQ short. Target one is 08. Target one is 08. 08, maybe 9. Target one. And then final target 91. Come on, NASDAQ. This is where we should get right here. This is support. Maybe 9, target 1, 9.5. Can't stand them when they move this slow, fellas. They just are nauseating to me. But the VIX is really low. There's not much volatility. Nice job, Mac. Oh man, I love to work. It would kill me more not to be in the room. I'll go until 10:30 and then we've all made money. Nice job, Marco. Thought you were done. I hate these dead markets. I mean, we're only not even 45 minutes into this, and we're just kind of sitting. No, I don't feel any better. I don't feel any worse, though. All right, so we're coming into 91.92. Got that next target. It's a great trade again, fellas. Another terrific trade. Guys, we've taken 7 or 8 trades. They've all been winners. I'm about done for the day. The week, actually. There's no point in I would say we're coming down to 81 now. Back up to 1,500 net sellers. Got to come down through VWAP. Right through that 91. Anybody have any questions, guys? Are there any questions? John C., you're here on trial yesterday and today. I will be sending you a link for next week tomorrow. You'll be back with us tomorrow.